your child keep coughing at night, it might not just be a cold. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Low Han Nee, your pediatrician from Pantai Hospital Batu Pahat. In conjunction with the World Asthma Day 2026, here's something that parent you should know. Common signs of asthma include getting cough at night, wheezing or whistling sound during breathing, and getting tired easily during play. Asthma symptom, it could be triggered by cold, dust, or even viral infection. The good news is asthma, it could be well controlled with the right treatment. But if your child have a breathing difficulty or frequent cough, don't ignore it. Get them checked earlier. Earlier diagnosis will make your child better and healthier active child. Let's help our child breathe easier.